How to add a photo to your profile on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add that easy and quick. First open your browser and then go to this one here, your profile in top corner, and once you're here go to this one here, the third one, and then click upload image. Now just select any image you want, and that's it. Now just click this one and then click save, and that's it. As you see, your changes have been successfully saved. It means that you need to go back and it will be saved. And that's it, as you see. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.